This is my Toyota Corolla in 1997, and what happened to it, the horn is not working. So just what I want to show you how I'm going to replace the horn. So this is the car here, as you can see, and if I'm opening, see I open, that one is broken anyway. So I just want to show you where the horn was connected. If you can look at it, you can see here, okay, there is a hole, which means a screw going through this hole. Okay, and this was the old one. That was the old horn, okay, from 20 years ago, and it's not working anymore. Okay, so that's what I want to show you how I'm going to replace it. So the first thing we're doing, we unscrew this screw there that you can see, because we want to remove this panel.
Oh, you need to replace the screw too.
Okay, so you remove it and it's done. So now we can actually walk very easily here, as you can see, without a panel. So as you can see here, there is a connection. Okay, this is the connection that was the other horn was connected to. So what I want to show you the difference between the horn that was and the new horn that I bought. So the horn that was here was connected to it, to this one, only one contact, and the horn I bought have two contacts. So that's what I want to show you the difference. So this is the old, as you can see here, this is the old horn from Toyota original. Okay, and if you can look here, I flip it here, you can see there is only one connection here. This is the only connection. Okay, and this is the new one. It's called HN20. Let me make sure. It's come from Amazon. I purchased it, and yes, it's HN20 on, which is compatible for any car almost. One of them is Toyota, and if you look here, if I flip it, you can see there are two connections. So what is the difference? Okay, there is not much different. What happened? One connection will get, doesn't matter which one of them will get a 12 volt, and the other one will get ground. So what this horn needs, it just needs 12 volt to work. So when you press the horn, you know, in the car, where is the steering wheel, it will actually connect the 12 volt, and this horn will start sound. Okay, there are other stuff that's coming with these. If you look at it, there's two of them here, and I don't know if I really need these or not. I will look at it. And that is another cable that you can connect actually the ground to it. Just make sure that the ground is connected. So that's it. That's what we have here, and it's cost like $7 or something from Amazon. So what we're doing now, we're actually putting the screw. Just I want to show you that the screw is really grounded, which is meaning it connected to the negative. Okay, that's enough. So that is a ohm meter, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put it here, okay? And I just want to show you that when I'm touching here the screw here, and the negative of the negative of the battery here, you can see here it's going to 0, which means that's the most important thing, because remember the minus is going to be really connected to the horn in one side. So remember, it's coming with another plate, but I don't really need it. So what I'm doing here, I'm just really close it tightly, okay? Close tight. And see why it's important to close it tight? Because the ground is coming through this, it's connected to this, so you have to close it really tight. Okay, and now it's going to be, we're going to put it in the hole as before, and then we're going to connect it. Okay, so this cable is the ground, really connected to the ground. It's coming with its own. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put the screw, see what I'm doing with the screw here, and I put it here. Okay, and now, I'm going to actually put these on. connect it with a screw to the metal, to the car. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm actually connect the horn to this car by this screw, okay. Okay. So what I really want to achieve here, I want to see contact. So you really need to attach a little bit tight.
think that's it.
Okay, so that's it. So as you can see here, we connect the new one. And now see then that's the ground. So the ground will be connected. This is the ground, we connected to one contact here. Okay, as you can see. And this doesn't have any other place to be connected but this. Okay.
And that's it.
And that's it. So let's try to see if it's work. So my son is in the car. Okay, so now try to press the horn. Again. So that's it. It's worked perfectly and everybody can do it. You can see how easy it is to do it. Thank you for watching this video.